Hi, Lisa. Did you have a favorite teacher?
Of course. My favorite teacher was Miss Anna.
What subject did she teach?
She taught English. Her class was always fun.
That's great. What made her special?
She told stories and played music during class.
Wow, I wish my English class was like that.
Who was your favorite teacher, Jack?
My favorite was Mr. Lee, my math teacher.
Oh, was he very strict?
Not really, he was funny and kind.
That's nice. Did he help you a lot?
Yes, I was bad at math, but he was patient.
Good teachers make hard things easier.
Exactly. He even stayed after class to help me.
Miss Anna gave me notes like, "I'm proud of you."
That's so sweet. I've never had that.
She believed in all of her students.
That kind of teacher changes lives.
I agree. I still remember her smile.
I still remember Mr. Lee's jokes in class.
Teachers like that stay in our hearts. See you in the next video.